Good morning children. Have a nice day. Welcome to social class. Standard 9th Geography Unit 7 Mapping Skills. Today class discuss the topic survey. Surveying is done to measure the angle, direction, area, height and distance of an object or place on the surface of the earth using instruments. Surveying techniques are used to obtain the field data and to prepare maps. Knowledge of surveying helps one in map making, particularly in the preparation of physical maps. Remote sensing as a source of map data. Remote sensing refers to the observation and measurement of earthly objects without touching them. Remote means far away and sensing means observing or collecting information. Remote sensing means acquiring information of things placed from distance using the variety of tools and methods. Remote sensing has a long history dating back from the use of cameras carried by balloons and pigeons in the 18th and 19th century. During the 20th century, airborne photographs and satellite remote sensing developed swiftly. Aerial photography. Aerial photography refers to the technique of obtaining information about the place or objects or phenomena with the help of photographs taken using cameras mounted on low-flying birds, balloons, helicopters, aeroplanes and drones. The aerial photographs are captured continuously with a time gap of 10-30 seconds at the fixed height. Each photo will have the slight overlap of area in the preceding photo. By making the mosaic of all the photos excluding the overlapping area 3D images of the steady area can be produced. Satellite remote sensing. Satellite remote sensing is the science of collecting data about an object or area from artificial satellites orbiting the Earth. The term satellite emergency refers to digitally transmitted images of the satellite. The preliminary data is retrieved from the satellites like Landsat, Cartosat, OceanSat, etc. Fire and the flood details can be extracted and delivered to relevant authorities with 2 hours of satellite image capture. Example: major earthquakes in China and New Zealand, bushfire in Victoria and flood in Kerala. Dynamic phenomena such as flood, movement of wild animals, shoreline changes, finding the lost ships and planes. The researchers made satellite imaginaries for this. The components of remote sensing: energy source, transmission for target sensor. Global. Next, discuss the topic global navigation satellite system. Have you ever booked a gap using the smartphone app? Did you see the map showing the route of your travel and movement of your vehicle on mobile phones? How is it possible to collect the time duration of your travel? In the 21st century, GNSS has become the part of our lives to promote the safety and convenience of transport. Global Navigation Satellite System is a satellite system connected with a small electronic receiver or tracker to locate, monitor and track a user vehicle wherever in the world. It can also set up instant alerts when a driver of your vehicle speed on diverts from particular area. GNSS applications are used in tracking or mapping vehicles, ship and aircraft. A group of satellites working with a network ground stations provide location data. The receiver converts satellite signals into location speed and time data. Example of GNSS: the Europe Galileo, USA Navstar Global Positioning System, Russia Global Navigationaya, Sputnik Systema. The China, the Baidu Navigation Satellite System, India IRNSS System. Global Processing System GPS. Without the Global Processing System on our vehicle and mobile phone, we would feel lost. GPS, a US implementation of the world first and currently the most used global navigation satellite system, created by US Department of Defense, became finally operational in 1995. Navigation satellite timing and arranging network of 24 US. The satellite in six different orbits in the space, flying 22,350 km above the surface of Earth. Each one circles the planet twice a day to provide continuous worldwide coverage. GPS receivers now come in all space and sizes. Most of all the size of cellular phone. Some are handled, others installed in the ships, planes, trucks, and the cars. Next, GIS, Geographical Information System. Geographical Information System is a computer-based tool for managing a large amount of data collected for given geographic region through remote sensing, GPS, and other sources. The geographic information system is a combination of computer hardware, software, geographic data, and personnel. G. Geographic, a particular area. I. Information, the fact in order. S. System, it is the arrangement. Bhuvan, the Sanskrit of earth. The free internet-based computer application launched by the Indian Space Research Organization on August 12, 2009. It enables visualizations of Indian remote sensing images taken over a year ago by ISRO's the 7 satellites, including the Cartosat 1 and Cartosat 2. Using Bhuvan connected to internet, one can explore places of internet, the scenes of events in the news or parts around the world they may never visit in person by either entering the names of places or coordinates. The Bhuvan has the tremendous uses of scientists, academicians, policymakers, and general public. Thank you.